Okay, good morning everyone. Today I want to present the title about the role of mathematics in cryptography. The side title is Exploring the Mathematical Foundation and Application of Cryptography. Uh, this is presented by me, Kevin Gong Yuehua. Today is 20 March and 2025 year. Are you ready? In this content, we will include the introduction, mathematical foundation of cryptography, real-world application of cryptography, evaluation of mathematics in cryptography, and make a conclusion and show the reference. Okay, now I want to talk about the introduction. Okay, first, mathematics play a crucial role in various fields, including computer science, social science, and natural science. One of the most significant applications of mathematics in computer science is cryptography. Cryptography, what is the cryptography? Cryptography is the practice of securing communication and information through mathematical principles ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity in digital communication. Um, this paper explore how mathematics underpin cryptography, its real-world application, and its fundamental role in computer science. Okay, now I want to talk about the mathematical foundation and of cryptography. For mathematical foundation of the cryptography relies heavily on several mathematical concepts, including number theory, algebra, probability, and complexity theory. Mm, okay, and let to continue I want to explain about the next for number theory, algebra, probability and statistics, and complexity theory. Okay, for number theory is fundamental to many cryptography algorithms as it deals with property of integers and price numbers. Some crucial aspects of number theory used in cryptography include prime, prime factorization, modular arithmetic, and discrete logarithm. For price factorization, many encryption schemes such as RSA rely on the difficulty of factoring large price number. The security of RSA is based on the assumption that it is computationally impossible to factorize a large composite number into its price component within a reasonable time frame. Okay, for the modular arithmetic used in cryptography, Siemens like Diffie-Hellman kit exchange and RSA encryption encryption. Oh, okay. Operations such as modular explanation play a crucial role in ensuring se- secure 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 encryption and decryption. For the discrete logarithm, the basic for cryptographic algorithms such as the digital signature algorithm like DSA and elliptic curve cryptography like ECC. The discrete algorithm problem (DLP) is considered computationally hard, making it an essential component of secure execution method. Okay, that's all. Okay, now to be continued. Algebra in cryptography. Okay, what is the algebra in the cryptography? Algebra, particularly linear algebra and abstract algebra, play an important role in designing encryption systems. Specific algebra structure and concepts used in cryptography include good theory, infinite field, and ring theory. For the good theory is fundamental to many cryptography protocols, including elliptic curve cryptography (ECC). In ECC, point on the elliptic curve form a mathematical group that provides a secure and efficient framework for encryption and digital signature. That's for group theory. Okay, now I want to talk about the finite field. Finite fields are used in cryptography applications such as AES Advanced Encryption Standard. For Advanced Encryption Standard, encryption where arithmetic operations take place in a finite field to enhance the security. Okay, now the last one is I want to talk about the ring theory. Ring theory used in advanced cryptography method, particularly lattice-based cryptography and homomorphic execution. For lattice-based cryptography, relies on mathematical structure known as ring and lattice to create execution Siemens resistant to quantum computing attack. For the homomorphic encryption, use ring structure to allow the computation on encrypted data without creating it enabling secure clone computing and privacy preserved computation. Okay, for the probability and statistics contribute to the security and robustness to cryptography protocol by analysis readiness, predictability, and attack resistance. Key applications include random number generation, cryptanalysis, and attack probability encrypted measurements. For random number generation, cryptographic security relies on strong random number generated (RNGs) for key generation. Weak randomness can lead to vulnerabilities, such as predictable key sequence. Okay, next for cryptonality attack and attack probability. Static, statistical techniques are used to evaluate evaluate the strength of cryptography algorithm. For example, differential and linear cryptanalysis explore probability property of transfer to break encryption. And then the entropy measurement used to assess the randomness in cryptography system. Higher entropy ensures that cryptography key and password are harder to guess or both the force. Okay, now I want to talk about the complexity theory. Complexity theory here determines the computational feasibility of breaking encryption algorithm by analysis the difficulty. Some important concepts include hardness assertion, cryptography security often depend on computationally hard problems such as intelligent factorization problem, RSA encryption, discrete logarithm problem, define Hammond DSA, and the shorter better problem in lattice-based cryptography, and the time complexity and security level. Cryptography cryptographer analyze the time complexity of algorithm to ensure they remain secure even with advance in computing power. Post-quantum cryptography consider new algorithms that remain secure against quantum computer. This this is this is easy, right? Okay, now I want to talk about the real-world application of cryptography. For real-world application of cryptography, mathematics through cryptography secure secure various aspects of modern life. Key applications include data security and providing online transaction, um, broad, blockchain and cryptocurrency, and cybersecurity, secure communication. Okay, for the data security and providing cryptographic algorithm protect personal and financial information, ensuring secure communication between users and preventing unaided risk access. Techniques such as intrusion and hashing safeguards sensitive data from cybercrime and unauthorized modification. For the online transaction, e-commerce e-commerce relies on encryption for secure transaction. Protocols such as Secure Socket Layer (SSL) and Transport Layer Security (TLS) encrypt data during the transmission, protecting the sensitive financial detail from interception and fraud. And next, for the blockchain and cryptocurrencies, cryptography is foundational to blockchain technology, which underpin the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, public and private key ensure secure transaction, while whereas cryptography hence function maintain data integrity and prevent tampering within the decentralized system. For the cybersecurity is using the cryptography method Cryptography method play an important role in preventing cyber threats such as data breach, secure authentication technique, including digital signature, multi-factor authentication, and encryption, protect users from identifying their and cyber attack. For the secure communication, government and military institutions are I use the cryptography to protect classifying information and prevent cyber espionage. End-to-end encryption ensure that only intent references can access sensitive messages, enhancing national security. Okay, cryptography is the fundamental application of mathematics that secure modern digital interaction, from the safeguarding personal data to enabling secure transaction and protecting national security. Cryptography techniques continue to evolve, addressing the growing challenge of cybersecurity in the digital age. Okay, now I want to talk about the evaluation of mathematical in cryptography. Mathematics is the fundamental to cryptography and sequentially to the field of the computer science. Some key aspects of its nature include foundation for algorithm design, security assurance, advancement of technology, and problem-solving approach. For the foundation of algorithm designs, cryptography algorithms are built on mathematical principles we call we call we call a strong mathematical foundation. Secure encryption method would not be possible. Concepts such as number theory, modular arithmetic, and probability theory form the basis of encryption technique. Okay, for the security are assurance, the trend of encryption method depend on mathematical proof that determine the computational complexity or breaking encryption key RSA encryption, for example, relies on the mathematical difficulty of factorization, making a secure against brute force attack. And then for the advancement of technology, mathematical research continuously evolves cryptography techniques, leading to advancement in secure computing, artificial intelligence, security, and quantum cryptography. As computing power increase, new encryption methods such as post-quantum cryptography are being employed to counter an emerging trend. For the problem-solving approach, mathematics provides a systematic and shorter approach to problem solving, allowing researchers to develop new intrusion models and improve access security protocols, logical reasoning, pattern recognition, and algorithm thinking played a crucial role in enhancing cryptography security. Okay, now finally we come to the conclusion. Mathematics is a backbone of cryptography, playing a fundamental role in securing digital communication and guiding information and application of mathematical principle in encryption, data security, and cybersecurity underscore the significance of mathematics in computer science. As technology evolves, cryptography will continue to rely on advanced mathematical concepts to address emerging challenge, challenge in digital security. By understanding the mathematical foundation, of cryptography. Research and professional can develop innovative solutions and to ensure a safer digital world. Okay. Okay. This is the reference I take from the Sun Journal and Boot, and also it got the YouTube link. You can take it like this one, SPPTS and something like that. Okay, if you're interesting, you can copy and paste and search in the Google of YouTube. Okay, okay. Thank you for listen my presentation. Okay, today I want to thank you for everybody. Thank you.